Do you feel safe? We own so many digital devices, it's hard to keep them all secure from cyber attacks. It sometimes feels like you need superpowers to stay safe. What if security could be made easy? This is why we created Bitdefender Central, your one-stop security center. Install protection on any device you own remotely. Wherever you are, you're in control. Is Jenny's computer acting strangely or working slower than usual? Scan it remotely from your app. Optimize your device's performance and free up storage space. Check the devices in your network. Is anyone using your Wi-Fi without permission? Access parental control to keep track of your kid's location and online activity. Can't find your phone or laptop? Use the anti-theft module to locate it in real time. Lock the device if it gets stolen. Stay updated in real time. It's easy. You can even use voice commands. Your app is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Experience maximum security with minimum effort. Get Bitdefender Central, all your powers combined.